This sound activation is for those feeling reborn and reverent. Over the next few minutes, you'll be gently guided by music, words, and breath to align yourself with the astrological energies shaping this moment. So settle in, close your eyes, and let this sound carry you exactly where you need to go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Dear friends, each day we gather here, hearts from every corner of the globe, to share a breath, a quiet pause, and send the light of our love into a dark world. Breathe in. Breathe out. Today we send the light of our love to those waking up in the light of change. Breathe in. Breathe out. To the ones who feel different today and can't explain why. Breathe in. Breathe out. To the ones whose eyes opened this morning, carrying something new behind them. Not excitement exactly, not grief exactly, but the strange weight of having crossed a line they can't uncross. We send our light to those sitting with the quiet aftermath, unsure whether to celebrate or cry. Both are correct, and both are holy. May the ground meet me gently. I allow myself to land before I try to fly. I trust that stillness after transformation is not stagnation. It is integration. I give my body permission to process what my spirit just walked through. I honor the tenderness of new skin. I do not rush the sacred work of arriving. The day after a beginning is not about running forward. There is an urgency that follows every breakthrough. Avoid that today. Not because the breakthrough wasn't real, but because the most powerful things need time to root before they can rise. Today, the fire learns to hold still. Today asks for a different kind of courage than yesterday. The courage to be still. Think of wet clay on a wheel. The shape is there, but if you move it too soon, it collapses. What happened is already inside you. Now, let it become part of you. The moon spends most of the day in Aries, still walking the same ground where Saturn and Neptune fused yesterday at 0 degrees Aries. We're still radiating in that energy and still adjusting to the new frequency. But by late tonight, the moon slips into Taurus and the whole nervous system exhales. Taurus says, you don't have to understand it yet. Just feel your feet on the ground. The sun in early Pisces keeps the emotional channels wide open and the spiritual membranes thin. This combination is the cosmos saying, don't strategize the new era, inhabit it. Let the body be the temple where yesterday's revelation takes up residence. This is a day for doing less than you think you should. May your day be filled with love and light.